Piyush and my team feel privileged to present one of the most important personalities of the Indian history, King Bhartari, on the eve of 100 years of Indian cinema. Bhartari was author of Triya Shataka. The importance of Bhartari's Triya Shataka is nothing less than Ramayana, Gita or Mahabharata. Triya means in Sanskrit languages three or women. Triya Shatak. This Shatak unites the complex knots of life and directly captivate the human heart. People could feel divine acquiring inspiration from this Shatak. One can seldom find anything comparable to Bhartari Shatak, especially with relation to philosophy of life. The Vairagya Shatak, Niti Shatak and Shringar Shatak are related to spirituality, social life and personal life respectively. But on the whole, the benefits of this Shatak encompass every sphere of life. The ultimate aim of human life is attainment of the state of bliss, which is impossible until the mind is vagrant, aimless and unstable. It is because of this reason that one needs love and eroticism in youthhood. Every person is endowed with some aesthetic sense. Detachment is simply impossible without aesthetic sense. The philosophy of Satyam Shivam Sundaram is rightly based on the above mentioned concept. What is true? That only is welfare oriented, and what is welfare oriented is undoubtedly beautiful. The Shringar Shatak adheres in totally to this concept. Man attains the highest states of bliss eventually, only after he initially treads on the path of beauty, understands the concept of morality, and finally renounces desire, hatred, sensual pleasure, etc. After Gautam Buddha, King Bhartari was another royal person who left his kingdom and all luxury to attain moksha. This movie is about the journey from attachment to attainment of this great King Bhartari, and under what circumstances he gave us these three Shataks. History cannot forget that morning of Falgun Prathama, Krishna Paksha in 553 AD on the bank of river Shipra at Ujjaini.
Is my lord going to make all the love here? Or will save some for his new queen Pingla?
This is just a starter, taken before the main course. Understand? Starter ignites and increases the appetite.
On the first night of marriage and the last night of battle, every man talks about victory.
What's this? May God save us from anger of Queen Avanti. We don't have much time. If she's not ready in time, there'll be a problem for us. You look so exquisite, my queen. Touch wood. Come.
Hail the king! I offer you best wishes for your wedding. Thank you, Senapati ji.
My lord, I am at your service.
Thank you, Pradhan Mantri ji. But where's the present for my wedding?
All I can gift you is my life.
Poetic words like this comes from a politician.
You are looking very handsome, Hari. Pingla, who hails from Kamaru, will be mesmerized by your good looks.
Forget about Pingla. Tonight I'm going to your chamber only.
Think you have forgotten the way to our room.
Today you have made me understand what's the duty of a husband is. I'm going to come you very soon. Where is Vikram Avanti?
Oh, forget about Vikram. Queen is waiting for you in her chamber. She might just fall asleep waiting for you.
No. Your face, your bloom, and this mold could be the way it is for the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives.
What gift have you bought for me?
My lady, what is the value of this courtesan?
20 gold coins.
Only 20 gold coins. Take all the coins. Here.
Thank you. My lord, give us a chance to please you too.
Beginning of love.
Huh?
It don't start with lips. It starts with feels of hands. Then hands feel the divine body. With that feel, it makes union. And lips proceeded further. Combination of lips and hands in right time at right place give pleasure to male and female both. And the most important thing, satisfaction of only body. Satisfaction with mind and body, there is small difference. Satisfaction of body is only for few moments. It gets over in some time, but satisfaction of soul does not get over even after the act. The love and the love making has to be performed by heart, by soul. Any man who makes love with you should not forget you for whole life.
My lord, please wait. I need to talk to you something. We have received the whole fees from you. But if you wish, we are having an election for a new city bride. And in that process, we need your contribution.
Tell me, what can I do for you?
Vasant Sena is competent in election on the new city bride. Your contribution can make her win. If you are totally satisfied with Vasant Sena in love making, then you can value her with act of love making her by putting 1 to 10 coins in this box.
Gains on profits. She is outstanding in all form of acts. From her sweet voice to her grace of dance, dance to her full figure body. From body to her love. And from her love to her acts of lovemaking. And her acts of lovemaking can take a man to a state of trance. I feel blessed, Vatan Sena. I would like to contribute 10 gold coins.
My lady, Vasant Sena's box is almost full.
The quality of being city bride has to be beauty, poet, singing, dancing. Like that, all 64 most needed qualities has to be.
In the art and election of giving full physical satisfaction, Vasant Sena is ahead of rest of all. I want all of you to make their best performances and make Shrishti satisfied and make your boxes full of gold coins. The girl who will fill her box with gold coins in the end of this year, King will make her the city bride for the next 2 years. Queen Avanti has sent Adhirath to take you with him. You send Adhirath in here. Okay. Why are you so impulsive, Lavanya? Oh, it is for him? The one who cannot even afford to pay 200 gold coins? And you are dreaming of your future with him? But I will not let this
To
happen.
make a family, only money is not required, Devi Maya.
Okay, so now you will tell me how to make a home. To be physical with a man is the need of a woman's body. It is only for sexual satisfaction. But to marry a man, it is a need of the society. The person who is a slave of someone, what life he can give you and your child? Do you want such a father for your child?
Maybe he's not rich, but by heart, physique and his look, nobody is richer than him in his kingdom. Understand?
And what about his earning, Lavanya?
Namaskar. In the greetings of Maharaj wedding, Maharani Avanti wants you to perform tomorrow. Get ready, Devi Lavanya, for tomorrow.
Devi Maya, please don't talk about money. The whole kingdom knows it well. When the need was there, you know. Lavanya, the city bride, whatever I have earned from my body, I offered the king and the kingdom. What happened, Adhirath? Say something. Why you are taking test of my love, Adhirath?
Test. And me?
You know very well. City bride cannot marry anyone.
I know. I do know that. From last 4 years, you are Nagavaru, but it is only made for 2 years. Even, I know King likes you. But why can't you take retirement from him?
But why? It just matter of few months more. I'm not in nomination of new city bride. And the king will choose new city bride. और मैं राजा से तुम्हारी स्वतंत्रता की बात भी करूंगी. वैसे भी राजा विक्रमादित्य के सारथी Devi Maya will not allow our physical relationship till you pay her 200 gold coins. You remember this?
Yes, I remember. I remember that very well. That I am the horse rider of King Vikramaditya, who cannot pay 200 gold coins to get my love. Is it the only value and measurement of my true love?
You are such a fool.
Lavanya, stop! Lavanya. Today this horse rider will take you away, Maya's girl.
We are late for palace. We are getting late for palace.
प्रणाम महारानी. प्रणाम भैया.
Long live King Vikram.
Pranam Chacha ji. Yanira Bhaiya had told me that you were gone for hunting. Uncle, tell me, what all have you hunted? Did you hunt an elephant?
Actually,
Yanira, Bhaiya speaks anything. Do you know we have a new mother?
Where are you going, Vikram? Music should not be insulted.
Forgive me, O Lord. But music increases the beauty of time. If time is not being respected, what is the meaning to respect music?
Sit down. Vikram, today on celebration of my marriage, you telling your elder brother, King Bhartari, that he is not having value of time.
Brother, time tells all in its own. I'm just a medium. Today I'm speaking, and tomorrow an intimate object will start speaking.
Be in your senses, Vikram. Are you not happy in my happiness?
Brother, you wanted to know that I am glad with your happiness? But how did you forget that my life is only for your happiness, brother?
Take blessings.
Yes. Pranam. Brother, I want to give a present to Queen Pingla. Queen Pingla, I welcome you to our family. And I present you my most favorite chariot, powerful Adhirath, my charioteer. As your slave, Queen Pingla, he will serve you till the last breath of his life. Kindly accept. For accepting my present. Thank you, Queen Pingla.
Pingla, Your luck is noticeably good. Vikram is giving you Atirath as a gift.
अधिरथ जैसा घुड़चालक पूरे राज्य में नहीं मिलेगा.
इस उपहार के लिए धन्यवाद.
Is King did anything today?
No, Mother. From the day new Queen Pingla has arrived, King does not even look at anyone else. The king is under her spell, Mother.
Whole kingdom is talking. Pingla is from Kamru. In art of lovemaking, she is goddess.
This is just going to last for few days, Mother. Just wait and watch. How the king will attack back? Like a hungry lion.
My dear, I know what you are going through. All this scene is not today's. This is started when Saint Gorakhnath said to mother of King Bhartari that her son would leave the kingdom and he would become saint.
How do you know all this, Mother?
That time I was King Bhartari's father's best mistress.
But, Mother, that saint was a liar. That king is nothing like a saint.
This is the result of the conspiracy by his stepmother, mother of Vikramaditya. She convinced his mother the luxurious life and women all around him can hold him back. Woman, liquor and sex can only not make him think of being saint. From his childhood, liquor was started serving to him. This is the result of that conspiracy. He became the most voluptuous person.
But why?
I am explaining you. Have some patience. Then only Bhartari will not be able to think of the kingdom. And because of this, Vikramaditya could be made king. Just see the luck of King Bhartari. He got brother like Vikramaditya, who refused to become king. While in the presence of his elder brother.
What do you think, Mother? The king Bharatari, will he become a saint?
Only time will answer this.
Hari, please tell me, what have you started writing now?
Classification of your beauty and body. It's Shringar Shatak. 100 shloks about the female pride.
Oh, you liar. Has Queen of Kamru charmed you to such an extent that you have started writing Shringar Shatak?
Question is not of Pingla or Avanti. I am introducing truth of beauty to this world. You know, the day kingdom start, from the time, day by day, starts getting end. I am the king of this time. But due to this writing of mine, I want to rule for ages and ages.
But why only Shringar Shatak?
Because Shringar is not the truth. It's an infatuation. Infatuation is one of the faces of a woman. You know, she sets her own kingdom. There is stage, and on that stage woman is placed to fool the kingdom people. Same way, she fools man by her beauty, and at the same time, truth and faith gets over by her beauty, and she rules for ages.
Hari, either you're thinking too intellectually or you're just a romantic poet.
What happened, Katyani?
Yeah,
What was mother saying? Is everything all right?
yeah. I'm pregnant.
But what's there to cry about? But why are you crying? Everything is okay? Tell me everything is okay. Okay. Say something. Everything is okay. Will you stop crying? Say something, Katyani. What happened to you? Huh?
Surya, I think this is King Bharatari's child.
Oh Lord. After so many years, this is how I become father.
But there's also a possibility that this child could be yours, Surya. Because in the last few days, I had a physical relationship with you and King Bharatari.
Katyani, we are dependent on the king. Whenever he wants, however he wants, he can easily use us. But you are the source, Katyani. Source. And I am the nursery man. No matter who puts the seeds in our garden, we will sow it with all our love. And remember, when that seed grows to be a tree, it will be called ours.
Katyani, this era that we are born in, we are Shuddha because of our work. But do remember, we will give our child the knowledge of arms and weapons. Remember it. And we will make him Brahmin or Kshatriya, whom people will remember many, many years.
यस माय लॉर्ड।
प्रणाम।
एक बौद्ध साधु आपसे मिलने की आज्ञा चाहते हैं।
Bring him.
प्लीज कम, हैव योर सीट।
Pranam.
Thank you.
You are welcome in my kingdom. What can I do for you, Mahatma?
King, I respect your hospitality. I would like to talk to you about something important.
By your order, my lord, may I finish my rest of the work?
Go ahead.
जी महाराज।
Thank you.
प्रणाम।
I have heard a lot about your knowledge, science, love of art, dear King.
It's your blessings.
I would like to know what do you think of some things.
Please order. I'm not as knowledgeable as you are, but I will try my best to reply and satisfy you.
What kind knowledge you have, King, when you cannot see?
क्षमा कीजिए महात्मन।
I don't understand what you are trying to say.
King, you are luxuriant. A luxuriant is like a blind man who leads the life but cannot see his surroundings.
Excuse me to say, but every man is voluptuous. There are many kind of luxuriance on this earth.
Voluption is voluption. There are no types and kind of it.
Some are voluptuous about money, some about their power, some about wisdom and some of their thoughts.
आप किस विलासिता की बात कर रहे हैं महात्मन?
Thought. Your thoughts are severeless. The aspects that you are thinking is your consideration, not the society's.
Thoughts gives a new face to the wisdom. Wisdom can make you look differently at things and gives inspiration to fulfill the duties toward this whole big world.
My king, what social work are you speaking of? Physical pleasure is such a pleasure. What about spirituality?
I am neither a king of the heaven, nor I am a saint in a temple. My duty is to run this kingdom, and the kingdom runs with the product adopted by the union of two genders. If the beauty and attraction is not there in between them, then the state will be dead.
What kingdom are you talking about? A state where a courtesan is given equally respect.
Mahatma, Adi and Shakti always be together. They can't be separated. When a kingdom comes up, then with beauty as well as temple and luxuriance is also needed, where human tries to purify soul and body. If temple purifies the soul,
तो वैश्यालय।
purifies the body, then why should not I respect the prostitutes? Because of them, in my kingdom, the rape, corruption, crime is negligible.
My king, your thoughts are totally different. But new thoughts pave way for the new developments.
I express my feelings to you. And whatever my soul says, I accept it as truth. And also I know this. I'm not as knowledgeable as you are.
आत्मा का जो मनन करे वो मन हो आप। साथ ही साथ एक समय आएगा जब आत्मा से आत्मा का चिंतन होगा। आपको एक फल उपहार में देना चाहता हूँ।
Dear king, this is no ordinary fruit. Whoever feeds of this apple on full moon will get their youth as a gift for rest of their life.
चाहे वो आप हो या कोई योग्य, आपकी इच्छा से उसे प्राप्त हो।
Your Grace, we have the result of the examination held this year, and it shows that there are many eligible Shudra candidates who can be a Brahmin.
But some of those eligible candidates' entire kin has been a part of Shudra clan for many generations.
It is not about Shudra or a Brahmin. It is about the things done. Brahmin must be skilled in scriptures and providing the right education to society. If a child is born with all the morals and ethics that a Brahmin requires, then I believe neither you or I can't take his skills. Even if we wanted it to, and this is the truth. My lord, brother, my lord, are you all right? I think you should meet these boys.
Pradhan Mantri ji,
Yes, Lord.
please do as King Vikram commands.
Dear King, with your permission, I would want to share something with you.
Later on. First bring some drink for me. People sleep so that they can dream of what they want to be. But my reality is so good that even the best dream seems nothing in front of it. Why do I love you? Think I know why. But why do you love me, my lady?
My king, your glory, your poems, your power can make Indrani herself as your admirer. And I'm just a normal girl.
Today I want to know, for our love, what can you do for me?
For you, my king, I can live like a Devdasi for the rest of my life. I will never wish for a child, nor will I ever leave you.
Okay, what if I am diagnosed of leprosy?
No matter what. Like I said, no matter what, I will still be by your side. I do have an answer for your question. My body will give you the pleasure you need. My mind, my soul, everything is yours. I am yours.
Pingla, looking at you makes me feel young again. What if I can give this youthfulness of yours to you for the rest of your life? The beauty that won't go away. Then
even I'll devote all my youth to you, my king, and then I shall pursue all your wishes.
This is the apple, you know, given me by a wise man. And he said, on full moon night, whoever, male or female, will have it, then he or she always young forever. And I give you this youthfulness fruit as a gift.
You know, my wife, she is pregnant.
Oh, congratulations.
Adhirath, it's Queen Pingla's command to go and visit the temple tomorrow morning.
That will be done. But right now, you are important. All my wishes are with you and Surya.
Congratulations. For what?
Because small Surya is coming now.
But there is also a possibility that we can have a little
Or
Katyani.
maybe both.
राम राम जय राजा राम राम राम
Oh. रानी पिंगला, सब आपकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहे होंगे. हमें चलना चाहिए.
मेरी बात सुनो धीरज, आदमी भी अजीब कुत्ता है. मांस भी ऐसे खाता है जैसे भगवान की कथन का पालन कर रहा हो. जानते हो जीवन में सबसे बड़ा श्राप क्या है? खूबसूरती. देखो ना, मैं राजा की गुलाम हूँ, तुम मेरे गुलाम हो. मैं देश की कई लड़कियों की इच्छा हो तुम. जो असुंदर और कुरूप है, समाज में उसका सम्मान है, और जो सुंदर है उसमें समाने की कोशिश करता है. जो सुंदर और धनवान है, समाज में उसकी चर्चा है, और जो सुंदर और शुद्र है, या तो वो वैश्य है या फिर दास. चलते हैं धीरज. वैसे भी राजा राजमहल में नहीं, वो उस वैश्य के महल में गए. जब वो दूसरी स्त्रियों के शरीर का सुख ले सकते हैं, तो मैं क्यों नहीं?
पिंगला 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 पिंगला.
You have fallen in love, my lord, with Pingla.
I think you are right, Lavanya. You are on the right conclusion. That I am very much in love with Pingla.
ये लो,
यहाँ पर.
पूछोगे नहीं ये क्यों दिया है?
Why?
प्रेम चाहती थी मैं, पर राजा ने ये सेब देकर दिखा दिया कि वो मुझसे नहीं, मेरे शरीर से प्रेम करता है, और मैं अपने दास के शरीर से.
But how is it possible? I loved her because of her beauty and as well as for her youthfulness. Love. Unbelievable. I'm in love with her.
ये कोई साधारण सेब नहीं है. इसे पूर्णिमा के रात सेवन करने से आदमी जीवन भर यौवन को प्राप्त करता है. राघवं करुणाकरं भयनाशनं दुरितापहं. राघवं करुणाकरं भयनाशनं दुरितापहं. करुणाकरं भयनाशनं दुरितापहं. राघवं करुणाकरं
Uncle, why are all this happening? When a girl menstrual period begins, they then become capable of bearing a child. And then they become a step ahead of boys. Where we boys remain boys at this stage. And the girls turn into a woman and become stronger than us.
Who go on war.
As Shakti is creator and Shiva is destroyer. Likewise, woman is a creator.
But destruction has the same importance as of creation.
Absolutely correct. But every destruction is done to give rise to something new, Prince Gyanendra.
Congrats to you.
Congratulations to you too.
Well wishes to you too.
बधाई हो पुत्री.
Yes, Devi Maya. Are you taking care of all your courtesans?
Yes, my lord.
Lavanya, I came to know
Ji Maharaj.
that you are not participating in competition of City Bride.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have some urgent work. Allow me to go.
Permitted.
My lord, all the girls are physically fit. And they don't have any sexual disease. Meet these beautiful courtesans of our state, my lord.
Whatever you say, Devi Maya, I don't think so that you can find out some other Lavanya.
I have everything that Lavanya does. Then why this discrimination, my king?
Who is she, Devi Maya?
She is our Vasant Sena, your grace. She is one of the contestants of City Bride competition and the winner of love making round.
Okay, the art of love making. Wow. Every woman has assets, Vasant Sena. Shape may be different, but a man is not only attracted by the body of a woman.
उसे उसका सद भी आकर्षित करता है.
Give me a chance to serve you, my lord.
me your blessings.
Leaving him as a boy, but he will soon return as a man.
Pranam bhaiya.
Long live. May God bless you. Pranam. Come on, Senapati ji, we should leave.
Life. How this life is. I was slave. And still I am slave. Sometimes of Raja Vikramaditya. And now of Rani Pingla. Lavanya is also a slave only. Of Maharaja, an entire Ujjaini city. And under the command of Maya. I love Lavanya only. And I know she loves me too. But how to get it? Maya won't allow me. Until and unless I'll give her 200 gold coins. I only have 190 with me. What to do? How I'll get Lavanya? How to arrange these 10 gold coins? Think, Adirath. Apple. This divine apple, which makes anyone young for the whole life. Why cannot I give this apple to Lavanya, so that she will remain young for whole of her life? Maya will get her coins, and me, I'll get my love of my life. Yeah, yes. Great.
Gold coins. You have to give 200 gold coins if you wish to be with Lavanya. I'm just wasting my time. Someone who doesn't have proper clothes to wear, it's impossible for you to pay. At last he came.
What are you counting for? It's 190 gold coins. 10 gold coins are still left. Instead of that, I have this apple for you. The apple. Take it.
This ordinary apple? For 10 gold coins? Do I look like a fool?
This is not an ordinary apple. A very great man has given this. Any man or woman eating this apple on the night of full moon can have his or her youth forever, can be young forever.
Such an idiot he is. Bought this penniless apple for 10 gold coins. This penniless apple. For the only one that the wise man could find to give this apple. $10 gold coins, you can take it from me.
She is also an idiot.
Adirath, आओ मेरे साथ.
What?
Ghat.
Yes. Now what? Now? Yes. Baby.
Mango?
No.
Apple.
I'm not lying, Lavanya. This apple really can make you young whole of your life. Exactly after 7 days. Eat this apple exactly after 7 days on the night of full moon.
Yes,
Okay.
I will.
Queen Pingla. आशीर्वाद दीजिए.
आयुष्मान भव. विक्रम, तुम मुझसे नहीं अपने आप से डरते हो. अपने भाई साहब पौरुष नहीं है क्या, जो एक स्त्री को शारीरिक सुख दे सके?
Physical relationship is not the end of pleasure, but the union of soul is more important. But you can't understand this.
आत्मा ज्ञान और शास्त्र से बनती है और बांधती है सुख और दुख को, शरीर को नहीं. ये तो शरीर है जिसे भूख है प्रेम और वासना की.
I'm not that drowsy, Queen Pingla, that I will drink from a half-filled glass of water. You are just like a loaf of meat for the king. As long as hunger remains, you will be needed. You are so lost over your body that you even can't remember the vows you took on your marriage?
राजा विक्रम, आत्मा 7 फेरों के बंधन को बांधती है, शरीर को नहीं. वो तो बदलते युग के साथ मैले कपड़ों की तरह बदल दिया जाता है.
Half-read scriptures are equal to poisons, Queen. No one can measure or tie the soul. Body is a structure surrounded around the brain, where the Almighty lives in the form of soul. Queen Pingla, you just take care of your body, for there is no soul left in it.
फिर तो तुम्हारा भाई भी मर चुका है, राजा विक्रम.
Adhirath! What are you looking? Pick it up. Now tie me with this rope.
Hey, Grace, what are you saying?
Slaves do not have mouth. I'm your queen. Whatever I say, you must do it. Tie it hard, the blood should stop. Open my clothes. Now, hit me with the hunter.
What are you saying, Iris?
Hit me. Come on.
May I ask why?
When pride and honor destroy, these pains give pleasure to the body. Adhirat.
Son, kingdom is not ruled by love but by fear. This is the politics. First create the fear in the heart of the people and then find out the solution for that fear and then see how the people loves you and they will accept all your decisions and you are going to rule them. Understand? Am I right, Senapati ji?
ये महाराज, यही तो राजनीति है.
We welcome you. God bless you.
God bless you. How are you, Vikram? Pingla is not to be seen.
Pingla is in a chamber. She is not feeling well today.
Not well?
Yes, my lord.
Welcome, Your Highness.
Welcome the future king. Uncle. I will never be a king until you are here, uncle.
Oh, Abhijit. Did Father actually hunt something down or just went to get some air?
2 deers. 2 deers. I killed all alone, okay?
You liar.
Pingla? What happened? What happened, Pingla? What is all this? And how did this happen? Did someone attack you? Katyani!
Ji Maharaj,
How did all this happen?
I don't know anything about this. Queen Pingla had gone to meet Lord Vikramaditya to the temple to ask where you had gone. But when she came back, we saw that she had fainted at the door itself.
My dear, just tell me once. Just tell me. Who was that? And I swear, not spare him. And I'm going to make his life just like a hell. He will ask for his own death. No matter who is he, just take his name once. Just tell me his name.
Your brother Vikramaditya.
What are you saying? Just say, this is wrong. This is not true. This can never be happen. Huh. Vikram. Huh. What are you saying? What are you saying? Vikram. Vikram.
Uncle, I also want to learn.
Okay, okay. I will also teach it to you. Firstly, Gyanendra had to learn it. Your time will also come. You have to wait, my child.
Given the perfect example of villainess, you will be the only brother in history who has lashed the pride of his own brother with his bare hands.
This is not your fault, brother. Intoxication makes a person X-ray. But do remember one thing. No matter how winsome the intoxication be, it does not last. Whereas the truth will be something that will be with you for life. Free me, my brother. For I can't be a part of the state that is already dead.
What happened, Katyani? Why are you crying?
I'm wondering what will happen to our state. Lord Vikramaditya has left everything and gone.
Our state is like an innocent woman, on whom first her father, then husband, and then son have a right to. She want to live the life, but she thinks whatever happens next will hopefully be good. So my dear Katyani, don't worry. Whatever happens to this state to us will be good. It will be okay.
I hope all your wishes come true. May our state always be happy. Do you not even once think that you should listen to his part of the story too? You're not only his elder brother, but also a king. This apple, it will make you strong. But if I'm young,
for the rest of my life. Then I can never be free of this. And this is not a life to live with, where my choice, my wish is the least considerable, and I cannot have the experience of life that a normal woman can. And in exchange for all of that, they will take away all of my dreams to marry, the love of my life, the dream of have his kids in me, the dream of grow old with Adhirath. They will take it away if I eat this. Strong, surely. But no, I don't deserve this apple. This apple should be given to a man whose youth and its power will help the state to progress. Someone who thinks of the best for the kingdom, like Vikramaditya. Yes, Vikramaditya. I'm giving this to him. What are you thinking? It will make you young forever.
Devi Maya? Where is Lavanya?
On the call of Maharani, Lavanya has gone to the palace.
And apple? Where is the apple?
I think nothing happens to you, Lavanya.
No, my lord.
Lavanya, today you have made me really happy. This necklace is for you.
I ask you to give me something else.
Ask. Nothing is impossible for me.
My king, I have served you with all my heart, body, and soul, and today I stand in front of you to ask you for one last thing.
Lavanya, you really served me and my kingdom in every way. Ask for whatever you want to.
Your Grace, I ask for you to give me the love of my life, Adhirath. I have worshipped him. Adhirath? Your Grace, I have worshipped him, loved him every single moment of my life. Please free him. I want Adhirath. I want Adhirath. Please free him.
No.
Given. You are also in love, Lavanya. And you've fallen in love with Adhirath.
You are great, my king.
Be happy. Be happy, both of you. Anything else you want?
You are great, my king. My king, I am your humble servant who has always done the best she could. I have had present from you for all my life. Now, I have a present for you. Allow me to give you.
Permitted. Let's see what you can give to me.
Your Grace, from today my services are over. She is your new city bride. Please accept her. My king, you have lots of valuable things, and my present is like that.
Apple?
This is not an ordinary apple. If you eat it, then you will have your youth forever. And tonight is the night when you shall eat it. This is what the great man told Adhirath. If Adhirath wouldn't have given me this, I couldn't present it to you. My king, accept this and free both of us.
What are you doing?
अहं सततं चिन्तयामि सा मयि विरक्ता सा अपि अन्यं जनम् इच्छति स अन्यजनसक्ता काचित् अन्या च अस्मत्कृते परिष्यस्यति धिक्तां च तं च मदनं च इमां च धिक् माम्.
Shame on me. This is really shame on me. May he long live. God bless you. Today I honor you as Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Make something so special that people will remember you for ages. Senapati ji, now I will take a leave. As you are here, I believe that this kingdom is fully safe. Please provide full security to Vikram. Your experience will show the way to success to Vikramaditya. Pradhan Mantri ji, I had fulfilled my all duties towards my family. Now I want to have moksha. Maharani. It's not your fault. You have fulfilled all your duties. Be happy.